Hi guys, regulars to my channel will know that I like to make paper planes and rubber band powered cars and that sort of thing. I like to make them hit the camera, and I just thought, why don't I just try making a very simple paper dart, because that should go fairly straight and it should make hitting the camera like throwing a dart then, logically. So we'll make a long, thin paper plane dart style, which is just one of those ones where you fold it and fold it again until it's long and narrow. A lot of the channels that do a lot of paper planes, they use nice coloured paper. I'm not like that. I'm mean and nasty and I use second-hand stuff. Which means some people can try and freeze frame and read what it is that I'm making it out of. Something to do with some sort of medication, that one. See if we can get one more fold out of it before we go too far. It'll probably have very little stability. Might even spin. Okay, one very dart-shaped paper plane. We'll see if we can hit the camera with it. Hit the light switch. Well, the long pointy nose didn't last long, so I folded it back in and put a staple in it just to hold it in place. So that was just getting bent every time it hit the wall at the far end. And it worked. All right. You can't get much simpler than that. Just fold it, fold it, fold it, and you have a dart. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.